today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw LinkedIn connection requests that you have sent previously. Maybe you reached out by mistake or changed your mind about connecting. Whatever the reason, LinkedIn makes it simple to take back a pending invitation, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your web browser, go to linkedin.com, and sign into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Click My Network. This area is where LinkedIn collects everything related to your connections, including invitations. Inside My Network, find and click Manage. This opens your invitations dashboard. By default, you'll land on the section that shows people who have invited you, but right next to it, you'll see a tab labeled Sent. Click Sent to display all the connection requests you've previously sent that haven't been accepted yet. Take a moment to review this list and make sure you're looking at the correct person. When you're ready to pull back a request, find their name in the list and click Withdraw, which appears to the right of their profile. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm this action. This prompt is just there to prevent accidental clicks and to remind you what happens next. You'll see an important note. If you withdraw now, you won't be able to resend a connection request to this person for up to 3 weeks. That waiting period is built in by LinkedIn to discourage repeated invitations and give the other person some breathing room. If you're comfortable with that, go ahead and click. Withdraw again to confirm. You'll get a quick confirmation that the invitation has been successfully withdrawn and the person will disappear from your sent list. They will not receive a notification that you withdrew. Their pending invite simply goes away on their side too. A few quick tips as you manage sent invites. Reviewing this list periodically helps keep your networking intentional and uncluttered. If someone hasn't responded in a while, withdrawing can be a polite reset, especially if you plan to reach out later with a more tailored note after the waiting period. And if you don't see the option immediately, try refreshing the page to load the latest status of your invitations. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to withdraw a LinkedIn connection request safely and confidently.